Good day, everyone. This is Knox Henderson, Investor Relations for StrikePoint Gold. Today is September 18th, and with me today is our CEO, Mike Allen. How are you, Mike?
Doing very well, Knox. Thanks.
Good. There's been sort of more activity in the Western US gold front, things that are more suitable for open pit heap leach type of deposits, similar to our Hercules deposit. So maybe you want to outline sort of the two stories that we want to cover today.
Yeah, I mean, just following up on what we were working on in previous discussions, Centerra has made a go decision here down at the Goldfield project. It's about 15 miles north of our Cuprite asset, a little bit further to the south from our Hercules Gold project. Centerra has actually made an investment in here into Liberty's Black Pine. They spent about $28 million Canadian to get a 9.9% interest in Liberty Gold, uh, dominantly driven on the back of the Black Pine project. And then the other news today is Nev Gold put out a resource update on their Nutmeg Mountain project.
Yeah, so let's look at how these compare to our Hercules Gold project.
Yeah, I mean, so going with in order. So this is Goldfield. This is where Centerra is going to be putting the mine into production. It's a little bit smaller than Hercules. It's about 700,000 ounces contained. Hercules is somewhere between 819 and 1.02 million, touch higher grade, but we're talking about two decimal places. Also, Centerra made a strategic investment over here at Black Pine, which is a fairly large open pit resource. It's somewhere north I think, 3 million ounces contained in their Whittle shells, probably 4 million ounces total resources. But the grade is 0.32, so considerably lower than what we're expecting for our Hercules exploration project. But you see the trade is on. Centerra is actually deploying serious capital, $28 million, a little bit about 10% of the budget for their mine build to get a piece of this. So you can see where the big boys are. And then Nutmeg Mountain is also very comparable to what we expect or where we expect Hercules to be. It's about 1.2 million ounces measured and indicated at about zero point 0.5 grams per ton. So you're seeing companies both progress, construct, and invest in these big open pit heap leach projects in the Western U.S. So I think that the writing's on the wall, the trade is on. People, big companies are starting to deploy capital into the Western U.S. gold projects, and we're just starting to see the trickle down into the juniors right now.
Absolutely. And when you consider our, less than 10 million market cap where we're standing in this, we're certainly undervalued when we have 800,000 ounces to 1 million ounces in a exploration target in grades ranging from 0.48 to 0.63. So, and there's about 18 projects in there that all fit into that range or less. So, certainly it points out how viable Hercules could be.
Absolutely.
Anything else you'd like to add, or?
No, I think that's it for today. But stay tuned. We're going to be putting out some news on Hercules in the next little while and driving this project forward.